What is up? I'm here in Bishop Hill. You see my flight? I can't really get a good shot, you know. I don't have a personal videographer. Like, wait, I want to try this first one. This one is called the Serena. I wish you were here. That's sweet. It's kind of like a Moscato. Um, I'm gonna drink the sweet ones first. This one is called Sweet Temptation. I'm sure it's gonna be sweet. That one's not as sweet. That one tastes better. I think I would drink that one last. It's different. Cosmic Bog. Very different. So I kind of like that one. Okay. So this, I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna drink that one first. It's a mango margarita. Cheers. It's Thursday. It's 2 o'clock somewhere.